Got me in this party all up in the zone. Hottest Betty's trying to take away my cell phone. Like, come and party, I've been trying to shake you off my mind, but just can't get you off me. Keep it moving, they ain't worth it, yeah, that's what my father taught me. But for now I'm going through the motions of letting go, cause my mind's telling me yes, but my heart really don't know. Your heart went dark out of nowhere, yet I still see a glow. So we had the hottest love, why'd you leave me in the cold? I feel wrong for even writing this poem, you don't deserve it. You stabbed me in the chest and took my heart and left me hurting. You really spread the word and had people thinking I'm worthless. Really put on a show and went ahead and pulled the curtains. Like I ain't play a part in your life, that shit is crazy. So how you aborted me right after calling me baby. Hoped you would have my son one day, but girl, you're fucking shady. But everything you used to break me is everything that has made me a man.
The mark of sadness from my